Building a strong taxonomy is the foundation of every successful knowledge graph. But for years, it's also been one of the biggest bottlenecks. Creating a taxonomy from scratch often requires scarce specialists, long workshops, and extensive manual curation. That slows down pilots, increases costs, and makes it hard for teams to iterate quickly. Graphwise changes that. What you're about to see is not a magic one-click graph creation. It's human-in-the-loop AI, designed to accelerate expert work, reduce time to value, and enable more teams to contribute to building a reliable semantic backbone. Let's take a look at how it works in the UI. We start by creating a taxonomy from scratch. Here in the interface, you define a domain or provide a short description of the knowledge area you want to model. Using the taxonomy builder, Graphwise proposes a structured taxonomy, including high-level categories and core concepts, giving you a solid starting point in seconds instead of weeks. Each suggestion is transparent and editable, so experts stay in control while AI handles the heavy lifting. From there, extending the taxonomy is just as seamless. As your domain evolves, you can ask the system to suggest additional concepts based on new content, emerging topics, or specific focus areas. Next, we enrich individual concepts. With one action, Taxonomy Builder helps extend concepts with meaningful properties like synonyms and definitions, all aligned with your domain context. This makes concepts easier to understand, easier to reuse, and far more powerful for downstream applications like search, tagging, and AI reasoning. Throughout the process, everything remains reviewable and adjustable. Experts validate, refine, and improve the model, while AI dramatically speeds up the groundwork. For Graphwise customers, this is a meaningful step forward. Semantic backbone systems become easier to start, faster to iterate, and stronger as a foundation for reliable, explainable AI. Less friction, faster insight, and a smarter way to build semantics. Graphwise. Automate knowledge. Trust your AI.